Okay, so I've left a note on Mike's truck that I have hit his car. And he's coming up to his truck right now. Here we go. And he walks right past the note. He gets in, puts his groceries in the back seat. Doesn't even notice the note on his windshield. Come on, Mike, notice the note on your windshield. Wow. Okay, no, he's just totally not paying attention to what's going on. He's in his own little world. Come on, close the door, look at the windshield, see the note. See the note. Come on, buddy. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. He's still messing around. He has not seen the note yet. Man, I wish I could zoom in with this camera. Okay, no, he's messing around, getting back in. Oh, he's... Yeah. Wow, he's got a lot going on in there.
Okay.
Come on, see the note. Not yet. Okay, he's looking around. Okay. I think he sees the note. He's getting out. I'm sorry I hit your truck. You read it? He's gonna get out. He's gonna look around. And he's behind it now. I'm gonna go up and talk to him. Somebody hit your truck?
Did you do that? I'm looking around for all the damage. I'm so sorry I hit your truck.